Let's open it. Let's unpack it. It's almost open. Da-dun, da-dun, da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Sad face. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Happy face. Yes, okay, let's get this out. Hey, YouTube kittens. It's Cathy Cat. Oh, today with another Harajuku fashion feature. I got a pretty dress in here. We are gonna unbox it together. The sound of dreams. This dress here is sponsored by Devilinspired. Right now I'm actually wearing one of the other dresses that I got from Devilinspired. This one here is called A City Called Heaven. I got that last time with Devilinspired, and there's something new and wonderful right here, and I can't wait to open this. Also, if you're lucky and you tune in during the times of Easter, there is an Easter discount, and there's also a Cathy Cat discount. I'm gonna tell you those ones at the end of the video, and if you're really impatient, they're also in the description box down below. Devilinspired is a Taobao reseller. If you don't know what that means, Taobao sells Lolita fashion brands from China, and it's really hard for people who can't read Chinese to actually get hold of those brands. And a Taobao reseller, which means they actually stand in between, they speak English, they do the service in English. So on their page you can see selected Lolita fashion brands. Also they have plus size, thank you very much, to actually cater for Lolitas of all sizes there. When you shop with Devilinspired, my hint would be, if you look at the dresses, check out the processing time, because it will actually show you how long it needs or how long it takes from the actual brand to actually go over then to Devilinspired, so I can send it to you. Let's open it. Let's unpack it. It's almost open. Oh, extra wrapping. Here we go. Ooh, there we go. It has the name on it. It says Cell on this bag. So this time the brand name is called Cell. Crusade Evangelical Lutheran is the long name of Cell. Let's get this baby out. Sad face. Happy face. Yes, okay, let's get this out. Wow, there we are. Okay, right, there is a little, there are postcards with this one. That's wonderful. So yeah, look at the cute cards. There you go. So there's a little bonus card so you can see what other dresses they have done and what kind of photo shoot they have done. I'm gonna tease you. I'm gonna start with this one here. Da-da-da! Now this dress has a neat accessory. You can order this separately, and I really wanted it. Look at this. So you can order separately as an accessory a huge bow that also has little buttons attached here. You can so attach or take off this veil here, and it's gonna make sense in a moment while this veil comes in so amazingly with the dress and the theme of this dress. Yes, such a good theme. You can see it comes here with a pin. There's also one of those secure pins, so you don't accidentally poke yourself. You can, with these little buttons, you can take the veil off in case you don't want to have the veil. And there are also little clips here. Can you see that? Little clips here so you can attach it better. That is very interesting. Feels almost a little bit similar to the feel of the one that I'm wearing right now. It also has little polka dots on the actual material, and then it has the print. Now it's time, ladies and gentlemen, to release the secret of this dress. So buy, sell. Da-dun, da-dun, da-da. There we go. So this dress is called Swan Lake, and they have different versions of it, different types of colors and tops. So this one I have here is the Swan Lake long sleeves stand color one piece by Sale. So let's start here right at the top. The first thing where you look at, of course, is the front, and here you have ruffles, you have frill, and this is all out of lace, wonderful lace. Then we have bows that come all the way down here, sloop, 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 sloop. And those bows here are not, you can't take them off, so they're actually sewn on, so they stay like this. Again, there is more lace happening in the front area around here too. This dress comes in different sizes, therefore there is no shearing, because what you get a lot with some of the Japanese brands is they only have one size and then there's shearing. With this one there are several sizes available. I got the S size, so I'll see how that will fit me. Also, the back has little buttons, and then there is the print, and I'm sure you want to see the print, so. Ooh la la la, I am so lacy. Ooh la 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 la, lacy frill tonight. So yeah, it's actually like slightly see-through. Now before A couple of years before, people were like, no lace and no see-through with Lolita fashion. This has changed now. Things have changed there. People are mixing it up, and just look at the ruffles here. More and more and more. And again, there's a little bow as an extra accent. I love it when they do that. Check out the back. Here are the buttons. And what helps you to actually get into the dress even more, there is zip, which goes down here. I have been teasing you long enough. It's time to check out the print. Now, why is this called Swan Lake? Come on, I hope you already guessed it by now. Nothing else. It is themed after the Swan Lake Ballet. So we have the whole Swan Lake theme going round and round and round the dresses, and that's why the white parts that you've been seeing here, those are swans. So this is a ballet themed dress, and because of the wings of the swans, that's when the extra accessory that you can buy separately comes in handy, which is the veil. So you can become yourself either a white swan or a black swan. They actually had other colors too. They had a pink one. The pink one was very cute, but the processing time was a little bit longer, so I wanted to have it right away, and therefore we have this wonderful dress here. Now, there is no waist tie because this is actually a size, so it's sized, so you probably won't need it either. And at the bottom, again, I like the quality of the lace. Like, it's soft. You know, when you sometimes have like cheap lace, it's like hard and thin, while good lace is like thick and soft. That's the bottom lace, and you can see how thick it is by the way that my fingers are not shining through the material. So that's another thing you really want to look out for when you look at the dress. Look at him! Isn't he handsome? Look at this one. I will try this out. I want to wear this. I want to see how this looks, and I want to see if I fit into it. So, Lolita fashion transformation time! Doodle-doodle-din. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da! I'm so glad it fits! Here we are. Now, I must say the very first thing that I noticed when I put this on was the feel of the lace, because it's so soft. I'm glad it's soft. I was worried it might be a bit scratchy. I'm very sensitive skin, and this one is actually fine, so no scratchy lace. Very glad about this. So here we go. This is how it fits around my waist. It fits. It fits, it fits, it fits. It doesn't need a waist tie. So it's exactly how it comes around my waist. Turning around, like I said, there is no bow. I haven't attached this one here yet, but you attach it actually quite high. So it kind of is more like a cape, like a flying sashy cape, which will then like swoosh when you walk. So I'm looking forward to attaching this properly. Apart from that, the feel is great. What I'll definitely recommend you guys though is maybe, unless you're super petite, maybe get it in an M size or maybe an L size, because I find the ladies are getting squished a little bit in this one. So just make sure if you have a voluptuous chest size that you maybe get it in a slightly larger size to accommodate your ladies up here a little bit better. In my case, arm length wise, it comes up a little bit short. Again, that's probably because I got the S size, but I'm still not an arm giant because this reaches to the end, so I'm glad about this. And I just love how my skin comes here a little bit through. It has kind of like an adult Lolita feel to it, I feel. I'm not sure if you agree with me, but I feel like that. Thank you, Devilinspired, and thank you, Sal, for the wonderful dress. So that was my review from Devilinspired. Actually, to them, they're doing an Easter pre-International Lolita Day sale, and that goes from the 19th of April to the 25th. There is a code right here. Bloop. It is LE2002 for the Easter sale. Like, discount, you actually get 20% off. Now, if you watch this during a different time and the Easter sale is already over, there is also my code. So that's bloop, bloop. And you can also see how much you get off for this code. So if you want to use that one, feel free to use that one. Just try to get like a little bit of money off, you know. We girls, you want to save money, right? So be sure to use that and get a little bit of money off your pretty dresses when you go and order them online. If you do happen to actually then go on Devilinspired and order one of their dresses, please let me know. Put that in your Instagram stories, tag me so I can re-story your story and, you know, see you in your pretty dresses and items that you're buying. So let me know. I'm in love finding out what people are wearing and see how you're coordinating it and stuff. So yeah, please be sure to let me know too. So, White swan, black swan. What type of swan are you? Are you more like the pure white one? Are you more the mysterious dark one? Or maybe you are actually a super ballet person. You can tell me much more about Swan Lake than I will ever know. Anything, let me know in the comments down below. Let's start a discussion. Looking forward to finding out what type of swan you are, or if you're a ballet person or not so much of a ballet person. Fun fact here actually to share with you right at the end of this video is I used to do ballet for 2 years. But that was literally the first and second year of elementary school, so my mom thought she was doing something good. I did not like it very much, actually. I had the feeling I was terrible at it, but when I left the class, my teacher said I was one of her better students, so must have done something right there, but unfortunately never picked it up there. So yeah, that is the fun fact right at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and life should be sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!